Meet the world's most disciplined man, Craig Ballantyne.
Wrong. Meet the world's most undisciplined man, Craig Ballantyne. The truth is, I want to be lazy, eating chocolate cake for breakfast, watching sports all the time, but I decided I wanted something more. I wanted more out of my life. And I wanted more out of my life more than I wanted chocolate cake. But here's the thing. I realized if I wanted to be more successful in life, this is good. I wanted to be more successful in life more than I wanted to be lazy and eating chocolate cake for breakfast. And I had to do a few things. And those things were building a fence around myself. I had to destroy the distractions and temptations. So what did we do? We eliminate the chocolate cake. We get it out of the house. You can't just put it in the cupboard. You can't just throw it out, because if you're a Seinfeld fan, you know episode 92 when George does this. And you may have done that in the past. So here's the thing. What do? We destroy distractions. We eliminate temptations. And when we do that, when we build a fence around ourselves, all of a sudden success habits become automatic. And the next thing you know, we're millionaires with amazing habits, and we no longer live below our potential. In fact, we're reaching our potential and raising our bar to the next level. So my friend, thank you for being here. This is gonna be so amazing. This is gonna be the best 2 days of 2019. And maybe there will be some chocolate cake to celebrate, but not chocolate cake for breakfast. All right, so let's get it on.